Have you ever felt a subtle connection with someone, but found yourself second-guessing whether it was mutual? It's a common yet frustrating experience, trying to decipher someone's behavior when their feelings aren't openly expressed. The uncertainty can lead to overthinking, doubts, and even missed opportunities. That's why understanding the subtle signs of attraction is so important, not just for clarity in relationships, but for your own peace of mind. In this video, we'll uncover 3 specific signs that a woman may be secretly attracted to you, even if she's not making it obvious. From increased attention and engagement to subtle jealousy and meaningful interactions, these behaviors often speak louder than words. More importantly, we'll explore how Stoic principles, such as emotional clarity and self-awareness, can help you approach these situations with wisdom and grace. Instead of letting confusion take over, you'll learn how to stay grounded, confident, and intentional. So, if you're ready to decode these subtle cues while staying true to yourself, let's dive right in. Sign number 1. Increased attention and engagement. One of the clearest and most common signs of attraction is increased attention and engagement. When a woman is interested in you, her actions often speak louder than words. She'll make a noticeable effort to connect, whether by initiating conversations or showing genuine curiosity about your life. You might find her actively listening to your stories, remembering small details about you, and maintaining consistent eye contact, a powerful nonverbal cue of interest. Beyond just words, she'll create opportunities to spend more time together. Perhaps she casually suggests grabbing coffee, or she may propose meeting for drinks after work. These moments reflect her desire to build a stronger connection and share experiences with you. Recognizing these signs requires attentiveness on your part, and Stoicism teaches the value of mindful observation and patience. Rather than jumping to conclusions, remain composed and appreciate the effort while ensuring her actions align with sincerity over time. As you observe these behaviors, it's essential to approach them with the clarity and emotional balance emphasized in Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius reminds us to be tolerant with others and strict with yourself, meaning that while you should appreciate her efforts, you must also maintain self-discipline and avoid making assumptions or becoming overly attached to the outcome. Focus on cultivating a meaningful connection rooted in mutual respect and understanding, rather than rushing to label the interaction as romantic interest. Stoicism also encourages practicing gratitude for the present moment. If someone shows increased attention and engagement, take it as an opportunity to engage thoughtfully and authentically. Ask yourself, are you reciprocating her energy in a way that fosters genuine communication? This balance between observation and response is key to navigating relationships with wisdom and integrity. Ultimately, by staying grounded and applying Stoic principles, you can build connections that are not only meaningful but also empowering for both parties. The Stoics emphasize the practice of equanimity, the art of staying calm and composed regardless of whether emotions are positive or negative. This principle is particularly useful when navigating the subtleties of attraction. If you notice a woman giving you increased attention, the Stoic approach encourages you not to jump to conclusions or let excitement cloud your judgment. Avoid assuming her feelings or overanalyzing her actions. Instead, pause and observe her behavior with clarity. Ask yourself, is this attention consistent over time? Does it align with genuine interest? Or could it be situational? By staying grounded and composed, you allow yourself the space to discern the truth without being swept away by fleeting emotions, ensuring your response is both thoughtful and aligned with virtue. Sign number 2. Subtle jealousy or protective behavior. Another clear sign of attraction is subtle jealousy or protective behavior, which often reveals itself in nuanced ways. If a woman is drawn to you, she may feel an unconscious sense of competition with other women who show interest in you. This can manifest in small, seemingly harmless remarks that downplay the qualities of other women in your presence or highlight her unique connection with you. Comments like, "She doesn't really understand your sense of humor the way I do." These actions aren't necessarily malicious, but often stem from her desire to stand out as someone special in your life. Additionally, she might display protective instincts, stepping in to shield you from potential harm, offering unsolicited advice, or even becoming overly concerned about your well-being. While such behaviors can sometimes veer into possessiveness, they often signal her deep emotional investment and care for you. Recognizing this sign requires emotional clarity and patience, aligning perfectly with Stoic principles of observing without judgment and responding with kindness and self-control. As the Stoics teach, it's essential to approach these moments with both self-awareness and a balanced perspective. Epictetus reminds us, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Instead of allowing her actions to inflate your ego or provoke a reactive response, take a step back and observe her intentions objectively. Is her behavior rooted in genuine care and interest, or is it driven by insecurity? This discernment will not only help you navigate the relationship with integrity, but also ensure that you maintain emotional clarity. By acknowledging her protective or jealous tendencies without being swayed by them, you can cultivate a relationship dynamic that prioritizes mutual respect and understanding. Remember, the Stoic way emphasizes responding with virtue and wisdom rather than impulsivity. Use these moments as opportunities to practice patience, gratitude, and thoughtful communication, ensuring that both your actions and emotions align with your higher principles. This approach not only fosters healthier relationships, but also strengthens your ability to remain calm and composed in all aspects of life. The Stoics emphasize the practice of detachment, urging us to let go of excessive desires and unrealistic expectations. This principle is particularly valuable when interpreting behaviors like subtle jealousy or protectiveness from someone who may be attracted to you. Instead of reacting emotionally, whether by feeling flattered, threatened, or offended, the Stoic approach is to remain calm and objective. Don't take her actions personally or let them affect your sense of self-worth. Instead, seek to understand her perspective. Consider whether her behavior stems from insecurity or genuine concern, and if so, find a way to offer reassurance without compromising your own boundaries. By staying detached from your emotions, you can foster clarity, respond with compassion, and maintain harmony in the relationship, all while preserving your own inner peace. Sign number 3, frequent and meaningful interaction. Another clear sign of attraction is frequent and meaningful interaction. When a woman is genuinely interested in you, she'll naturally seek opportunities to spend more time with you and delve deeper into your world. This goes beyond casual small talk. She'll ask thoughtful questions about your life, interests, and aspirations, showing a genuine curiosity about what makes you unique. She'll also open up about her own experiences, emotions, and goals, creating a space for mutual understanding and connection. This kind of interaction signals more than just politeness. It's her way of building a foundation for a deeper bond. From a Stoic perspective, this is where emotional clarity is essential. Observe her efforts without rushing to conclusions and approach the connection with authenticity and wisdom. This ensures that the relationship is grounded in mutual respect and shared values, creating a meaningful and enduring dynamic. As you engage in these frequent interactions, it's important to remain centered and mindful of your own responses. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our actions and emotions, while accepting the outcomes with calm detachment. When a woman shares her thoughts and feelings with you, it's not just an opportunity for connection. It's also a chance for you to practice empathy and understanding. The Stoic principle of virtue comes into play here. How you respond to her openness is just as important as her willingness to share. By maintaining composure and showing genuine interest, You demonstrate that you value her perspective without becoming overly attached to any particular outcome. This approach not only fosters a stronger bond, but also ensures that the connection develops from a place of mutual respect and emotional maturity. In a world where superficial interactions often dominate, the depth of meaningful conversations, anchored by Stoic wisdom, can lead to more genuine and lasting connections. The Stoics emphasize the importance of social harmony, which involves cultivating positive, respectful relationships with those around us. This principle is particularly valuable when navigating interactions with others, especially in the context of relationships. When you notice that a woman is engaging with you in frequent and meaningful ways, it's not only a sign of interest, but also an invitation to reciprocate those efforts. The Stoics believed in the power of mutual respect and understanding, so it's crucial to be attentive to both her words and actions. By actively listening, showing empathy, and responding thoughtfully, you create a space where she feels comfortable expressing herself. This reciprocal engagement fosters trust and respect, making the relationship stronger and more authentic. Just as the Stoics practice self-reflection and wisdom in all their interactions, you should approach these moments with the same mindset, creating a harmonious, supportive environment that allows both individuals to grow and connect on a deeper level. Conclusion: now that you know the 3 key signs a woman may be secretly attracted to you, it's important to approach the situation with both clarity and integrity. If you're interested in pursuing a connection with her, take the initiative and ask her out on a date. The Stoic principle of acting with purpose and intention applies here. Take thoughtful action, but do so with respect and patience, allowing the relationship to unfold naturally. On the other hand, if you're not interested, it's equally important to be honest and respectful with her. Avoid leading her on or playing games. A Stoic mindset emphasizes the value of truth and moral integrity, so approach the situation with kindness and clarity. By being straightforward yet gentle, you not only honor her feelings but also maintain your own peace of mind, knowing you've acted in alignment with your values. At the core of navigating attraction and building meaningful relationships is the fundamental principle of being true to yourself. Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-awareness and emotional mastery, which can help you stay grounded while recognizing subtle signs of attraction. However, it's crucial to remember that attraction should never be manipulated or forced. It should be genuine. By treating her with kindness, respect, and understanding, you create a space where trust and connection can flourish. These principles aren't just about reading signals. They're about cultivating a character that values integrity and authenticity above all else. When you stay true to who you are, you naturally attract people who appreciate you for your virtues, not for playing a game. Through patience and wisdom, as the Stoics would say, you can navigate the complexities of attraction in a way that fosters genuine, strong relationships built on mutual respect. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Attraction can be tricky to navigate, especially when the signs are subtle and not always easy to read. Have you ever experienced any of these signs of attraction from someone? Perhaps you've noticed someone showing increased attention, or maybe there were moments when you felt a protective or slightly jealous vibe from them. How did you handle the situation? Did you approach it with curiosity and self-awareness, or did you struggle to understand the intentions behind the behavior? I'd love to hear your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your stories could help others who are navigating similar situations, so don't hesitate to share. Thank you for watching, and remember, every interaction is an opportunity to practice Stoic wisdom and strengthen our emotional resilience.